The error code E12 in a Siemens washing machine indicates a problem related to the water supply. This error can be caused by issues such as water inlet valve problems, clogged filters, or water supply issues. To fix the problem, start by inspecting the water inlet valve, ensuring the washing machine is switched off and unplugged for safety. Locate the valve, usually at the back of the machine, and check that the water supply valves are fully open to allow proper water flow. Check for any blockages or malfunctions that may hinder water flow, and clean the valve to remove debris or replace it if necessary. Additionally, clean clogged filters by unplugging the machine, locating the filters in the water supply hose or inlet valve, and cleaning out any debris or blockages to ensure unrestricted water flow. After cleaning the filters, reassemble the machine components and test it. It is also essential to check the water supply, verifying that it is adequate and not obstructed. Examine the water hoses for kinks, bends, or blockages that may impede water flow, and ensure the hose connecting the water supply to the machine is free of kinks, bends, or clogs. Check the filter screen inside the hose for any debris or buildup that could restrict water flow, and then reconnect the hose and test the machine to confirm the issue is resolved.